The Cooler MasterCase H100 is a small form-factor PC case that's garnered attention for its compact design, low price point, and standout aesthetics. After diving into expert insights and customer experiences, it's clear that the H100 carves a unique niche for budget-conscious Mini-ITX builders who still want decent airflow and flexibility. What sets the H100 apart visually is its cube-like shape, industrial aesthetic, and an oversized 200mm RGB fan dominating the front. While that fan alone doesn't guarantee top-tier thermals, it does push a considerable amount of air, especially when compared to multiple smaller fans found in other cases. However, the fan's placement is both a blessing and a constraint. It's the only supported fan mount, and removing it to install a radiator compromises the entire airflow dynamic, essentially defeating the purpose of choosing this case. Building in the H100 demands a methodical approach. Its interior is deceptively tight, especially due to the full ATX power supply mount directly in front of the motherboard. While support for full-size PS use is uncommon and technically impressive in a case this small, it also limits CPU cooler height to just 83mm and complicates cable management significantly. Modular PSUs are practically a necessity here. Non-modular units will turn the interior into a cable jungle and further restrict airflow. For gamers looking to drop in a modest graphics card, the H100 supports dual-slot GPUs up to 210mm in length, which is generous for its size. Storage options are respectable, with room for one 3.5-inch drive and up to four 2.5-inch drives, but their placement can interfere with GPU installation if not carefully sequenced. The included metal storage bracket, while functional, adds another layer of build complexity. Cooler Master's decision to include a sturdy carry handle on the top is a thoughtful touch, making the H100 ideal for portable LAN rigs or compact living spaces. However, this case isn't ideal for those planning high-performance builds with beefy GPUs or elaborate cooling setups. It's best suited for entry-level to mid-range gaming systems with efficient components and M.2 storage solutions to reduce interior clutter. Overall, the MasterCase H100 offers solid value and eye-catching design, but the build experience demands patience and planning. It's a great choice for users who appreciate a compact footprint and don't mind working within its limitations to keep things cool and clean inside.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.